Hi friends, in the last videos we covered how to print alphabet symbols by using star patterns, like so how to print A, how to print B, how to print Z, like all 26 alphabet symbols we covered. A bit boring concept because everything is similar, but why I covered each and every alphabet symbol? Now I want to convert all these alphabet symbol patterns into small applications, right? Okay, like so do you know LED panel display? Okay, electronic display of alphabet symbols, right? If you go for bus stand, railway station, airport, you can see LED panel display share rate or otherwise bus arrival timings or train arrival timings, like you can see in the LED display, right? So how you can do that? Okay, that panel display I want to take vertically, horizontally, right? Okay, first I will take care about vertical panel, LED panel design, and then we have to talk about horizontal. Vertical is the easy, then we will go for difficult one, horizontal, right? Sir, first observe this one. Okay, here I developed one application. Of course, don't worry about this code, sir. I developed one application. Okay, some function is there, some function A, B, C, D, and so on. Do you know, like until Z is there, sir. Okay, like all the things are there. Code reusable, everything I took. Okay, now my requirement is, observe a bit carefully, sir. Here I am taking PY vertical LED panel display.py. Of course, don't worry, sir. I developed already this code. I will explain how to develop, sir, on our own. I will explain on the board and then we can develop on our own. Don't worry, sir. Now vertical LED panel display. Sir, what I'm trying to take here is just have a look once, sir. Enter some uppercase alphabet symbol to print pattern. Sir, I'm taking A, sir. A. Then immediately, sir, have you observed, right? A printed properly. Are you getting A printed properly, right? Sir, now if I can ask R, R, sir, enter some alphabet symbol to print R, then happily, do you know, R, it is printing. Now if I can use the word, okay, W, sir, if I can use the word W, now W alphabet symbol, it is printing. Now I'm asking about Z, Z, sir. Now it is printing Z symbol, right? Yeah, beautiful. So if you provide some alphabet symbol, our program is responsible to print that only one alphabet symbol, right? Sir, now I want to enter a word, that the word it has to display. Are you getting that? I want to enter a word, that the word it has to display. Sir, same program with a small minor change. You have a look once. Sir, vertical display I want to take care. Here what I'm trying to take, of course, that also is ready, sir. Let me here just let me comment this part I'm trying to take. Now observe this one. Here don't worry about the code. I will explain, sir. Here just let me here just I'm trying to take here enter any word to print vertically. Okay, just I'm taking sir Durga, like. Now have a look once, sir. Here you can see like so instead of that, just let me reduce the font so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, sir, here just I'm taking here, just have a look once, sir. Sir, if you observe the Durga, like you can see Durga. Are you seeing, right? Durga, like Durga. Okay, like sir, if I can ask enter any word to display. Now I'm trying to enter Udemy, like I'm taking, sir. Now observe that. So here if you are seeing, sir, Udemy, okay, like this. This is the vertical display, sir. Even horizontal display also we can do that, no problem at all. So how we have to write the code for this type of applications, you should have clear clarity. But make sure, sir, if you want to develop this, if you develop A to Z individually, the previous videos, if you understand, now the remaining things will become very easy. So there we didn't use any code reusability. Now I want to use code reusability. Okay, all 26 alphabet symbols I have to write in the same application. That's why some code reusability, some reusing functions I have to introduce. All those things I will discuss. Once you people feel comfortable with the vertical design, then we have to go for horizontal design, which is the ultimate. Any doubt about this? Clear, right? Be ready, sir.